Papa's the squid.
Yeah, this is the squid.
And where's the crab?
There's no crab, eh.
Can I touch it?
There's no crab.
Can I touch it? Where's the eye?
Ice is here. Look.
It's not open its eye.
Yeah, because it's not alive anymore.
I want it to be alive.
Yeah. Nagalit pa.
I want it to be alive.
You want it to be alive?
Alive. I want to be alive.
How can it be alive?
Because you make it die.
I make